One, two, three. Ready? Exercise number 58. I shall arrive at 10 a.m. on Tuesday, 12th January, unless I have to make a change. I will wire you if the time is changed. Full stop. As far as I am aware, the goods were dispatched at least a week ago. Full stop. I will look into this and give you the exact date they were sent. Full stop. New para. And the Ellen and Royal have built up a nice business for themselves in Nelson. The success of the business is due entirely to the way in which we have worked. Full stop. A few years ago, they were quite poor, but now both of them are worth a large sum of money. Full stop. What is the reason for the higher insurance rates which were put into effect last week? The rise was quite unexpected. This state of affairs existed for a long time, despite the fact that we were not satisfied with it. Full stop. We were amused at many things he said, comma, but he was certainly worth listening to. Full stop. He said you may die young because of worry, but certainly work never caused the death of anybody. Full stop. Thank you for your note in which you stated that you were desirous of having an agency for the sale of our textiles in your city. Full stop. We have never given any firm the sole right to sell our goods, and this policy does not allow us to give you the sole agency. Full stop. We should be sorry to have you retail our goods. We hope you will do so at the usual dealers' rates. Full stop.